Guys, good morning. So I got my eggs from KF factory. So this is actually the second time I'm patronizing from this factory, and I can say I've never been disappointed. Look at the bone straight, so shiny and silky. I love my gift. Thank you so much, Sandie. Sandie was my representative from KA. Thank you so much for being patient with me and for making sure my orders were produced fast. So thank you so much, KA. And of course, I love my gifts. I love the free bundles. Thank you so much, Sandie. I look forward to more businesses with you. Bye.